In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Chrome, access the Waze map editor, navigate to a specific location, and find the map creation toolbar. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the Waze map editor web interface and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on because some editing tools and map features may not be available until the interface finishes loading. If the page takes a few extra moments, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow or the editor is loading a detailed area of the map. After you're signed in, take a moment to get familiar with the screen. You should see the map editor layout with the main map area displayed prominently. The goal here is to visually navigate to the exact intersection or road segment you want to work with. You can do this by panning across the map and zooming in or out until the location is clearly visible. Move slowly and carefully so you don't pass the area you need. It helps to look for recognizable road shapes, nearby landmarks, or connecting streets to confirm that you're in the correct place. As you get closer to the target area, continue adjusting your zoom level until the intersection or road segment is easy to inspect on screen. A closer zoom can make it easier to identify the exact geometry of the road and prepare for any edits you may need to make later. Try to center the location on your screen so the next tool you access is easier to use without needing to reposition the map again. Once the correct area is visible, direct your attention to the top portion of the browser window, where the map creation toolbar is located. Move your cursor over that toolbar and hover there. This is an important step because it helps you identify the available map creation tools before selecting anything. Take a second to observe the toolbar area and make sure you're hovering in the right place. At this stage, you've successfully opened Chrome, accessed the Waze map editor, navigated to the correct intersection or road segment, and located the map creation toolbar. If you're following along in real time, it's a good idea to pause briefly here and confirm everything on your screen matches what you expect before continuing to the next part of your editing process.